I think it's really important for people to understand that, when you're making a digital transformation and you're selecting a software platform or something, to not take it lightly. When we went through this process, we had 7 different softwares, over 3 different factories, over 9 months, and we had 60 different evaluation criteria to be able to select a software. We brought in 10 different people that were evaluators from our IT side all the way through all the quality engineering sides, and ultimately we selected Inspector Gauging.
So using PolyWorks gauging, we take a lot of measurements with measurement tools such as this one here. With this micrometer, we may catch like a length measurement. We also measure diameters, really any sort of a physical feature on a part that you can capture with a gauging tool.
One of the best things about PolyWorks over the other software is we didn't need to learn an entirely new programming language like Python scripting just to create an inspection project. You can take someone with minimal or no PolyWorks experience, and in a matter of minutes, he's got 2 inspection projects created and completed. The user interface is a tremendous improvement over our previous legacy software. The operators really like being able to see the CAD model, spin the CAD model. If they're not sure where they should take the measurements, they can rotate it and see from a different angle.
We were capturing so much data so fast in our organization, and we weren't maybe the best at storing it in a single location. But with the data loop product and marrying that with Inspector, we now can access it and we can solve global issues with just a few clicks.
Having the data to know if your process is moving and it's also stable. So it is very important for that. Of course, you have tooling, you have fixturing, you have machining centers, you have things that make stable parts, but having the data from measurements then ties it all together.
Seeing data loop enable us to not just double things, but actually exponentially increase our measurements now to several thousands of measurements per month. To me, that's incredibly rewarding.